Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. Today we are doing Rain Down Your Glory by Planetshakers. It's found on their album called The Rain. The song is in the key of C sharp major, which happens to be the original key of the soundtrack. So if you want to play along with the original recording, then you can do so. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Okay, we're gonna start with the intro and the verse. So the intro and the verse share the same chords. So what I'll be explaining in the intro is what you'll be applying in all the verses as well. So I'll just go through it once. Okay, so let me just break down the chords. So the intro starts with a F sharp major chord to a G sharp major. Then the next chord is a slash chord. So you are playing a C sharp major, over a F sharp chord. So I'm playing an inversion. So I'm just gonna move this G sharp, put it at the bottom here. So I'll just play it like this. Since we are already playing the F here and here, we can totally just drop this one at the top. And this just leaves us with a simplified chord. And the last chord is a F sharp major. So it goes like, okay, and the alternative to this, instead of playing chords, you can just play the melody, play a double octave. So it starts on the B flat to C. So that's pretty much the intro and the verse. One thing you'll notice in the verses is towards the end of the verse, it's almost like a pre-chorus sort of thing. Instead of hanging on the second chord for like 8 beats, it's like what happens towards the end of the verses, you just hold the chords for 2 beats each. Okay, so let us move on to the chorus. Now the chorus is pretty simple. It's quite a popular progression. It's a progression that you see in a lot of pop songs, pop rock songs. It's the 1, 5, 6, 4. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm just using the number system. I'll explain in another video what is the number system. So they do something slightly different with this progression. They put a slash chord just to add a bit of variation. So they start off with the C sharp major. Okay, I take down this G sharp and just put it at the bottom. I like playing inversions because it helps me to keep like all the notes in one area. I don't like moving from like, I don't like jumping up and down. I just like keeping everything in one place. I think it sounds better and much more fluid, moving from one chord to the next. Okay, so they start with the C sharp major, and then followed by a slash chord, which is a G sharp major with the C sharp, not the C sharp, but the C bass at the bottom. Followed by a sharp minor, followed by a F sharp major. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. So C sharp, G sharp over C, to A sharp minor, F sharp major. On the last time they play C sharp over F. And the bridge of the song is the same as the verses and the intro. And when it comes to the end of the bridge as well, they sort of hold the chords for 2 beats each instead of like holding one chord for a very long time. So they end up being, yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to this song. Let me know if there's anything that I didn't explain properly. If you like this video and you learned something new, just comment down below, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. See you next time for the next video. Thank you guys for watching.